Did you know that NASA genuinely faked part of the moon landing? While Neil Armstrong's first steps on the lunar surface were categorically not faked, the astronaut quarantine protocol when the astronauts arrived back on Earth was largely just one big show. Did you know that most maps of the world are wrong? On most maps, the Mercator projection, first developed in 1569, is still used. This method is wildly inaccurate and makes Alaska appear as large as Brazil and Greenland 14 times larger than it is. For a map to be completely accurate, it would need to be life-size and round, not flat. Did you know that octopuses don't actually have tentacles? They have 8 limbs, but they're arms for most species. Technically, when talking about cephalopods, octopuses, squids, etc., scientists define tentacles as limbs with suckers at their end. Octopus arms have suckers down most of their length. A cloud weighs around 1 million tons. A cloud typically has a volume of around 1 km3 and a density of around 1.3 kilograms per m3, a density around 0.4% lower than the air surrounding it. This is how they can float. Geared for excellence. Did you know that comets smell like rotten eggs? A comet smells like rotten eggs, urine, burning matches, and almonds. Traces of hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen cyanide were all found in the makeup of the comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko. Promotional postcards were even commissioned in 2016, carrying the pungent scent of a comet. Did you know that our solar system has a wall? The heliopause, the region of space in which solar wind isn't hot enough to push back the wind of particles coming from distant stars, is often considered the boundary wall of the solar system and interstellar space.